Hi everyone. How many people have heard of Alzheimer's disease? I bet most of you have heard of it. It's a deadly brain disease that causes loss of memory and loss of many other cognitive abilities that are necessary for your daily life. It starts in an area of the brain called hippocampus and spreads throughout the brain, making you lose most of your daily living abilities. Once it is in the advanced stage, it can be easily diagnosed by just looking at the MRI scan or by talking to the person for a few minutes. But by then, it's too late as the damage is irreversible and there is no cure. Hence, early detection is key so the family can plan for a better quality of life for the patient. So how can we detect it? By making a lots of measurements in the brain that are indicative of the disease, such as size of the hippocampus, shape of the hippocampus, and thickness of the cortex, etc. But the challenge is the signs of the disease in the early stage are so subtle that these simple measurements cannot reliably detect the disease. Even if you study them together, they are not accurate enough to detect them early. So as part of my thesis, I propose to do a network type of analysis where I model the relationships between different measurements as a network. By a network, I mean a social network. Think of a social network where different people are connected by shared interests, similarity in certain things. Similarly, when two regions in the brain, such as this one and this one, are similar in some measurements, such as shape or size, I make a link between the two regions. We can have many links like that connecting different regions of the brain. Once you have these set of relationships, we can compute many properties of the network, such as which regions are highly connected, which regions are less connected, where are the hubs located, etc. These properties of the network capture the signs of the disease in the early stage and can help me build a very accurate classifier. My experiments on hundreds of subjects showed that it's 87% accurate. And you may ask, how significant is it? It just requires a single MRI scan and it can be applied to people as young as 50-60 years old. This is a very challenging research area and I'm fascinated by this every single day. Thank you.